In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PPT by Gamma AI. Gamma is an AI-powered presentation maker that turns a simple prompt into a polished deck in minutes, while still letting you fine-tune every detail. Start by heading to the Gamma website, click Sign Up or Log In, and once you're in your dashboard, select Create New. This opens the starting options. You can begin from a blank canvas or pick a template, but for the fastest path, choose Generate with AI. It gives you a complete starting deck you can quickly refine rather than building slide by slide. Next, enter your topic in the prompt box and click Generate. You might type something like marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. Being specific helps the AI organize the story more effectively, so include the audience or goal if you know it. In a moment, Gamma will draft slides with headings, key points, and a logical flow. Now review and edit the slides. Click any slide to change the text, tighten phrasing, or add clarifying details. Remove sections you don't need and drag slides to reorder them until the narrative feels smooth from introduction to conclusion. Aim for short, clear titles and supporting lines that are easy to scan. If a slide feels crowded, split it. If two slides repeat themselves, merge them. Customize the design to match your style. Open the theme or style controls to pick a look, then adjust colors and fonts for brand consistency and readability. Add images, icons, or videos to make ideas concrete and engaging. Gamma keeps spacing and typography consistent, so your deck stays clean and modern as you tweak it. If you need more material, click plus. Add card to insert new content. Add text for summaries, images and videos for visuals, charts for data, and embeds for links or websites you want to showcase without leaving the deck. Use AI to improve your writing as you go. Highlight any text and open the AI options to rewrite, expand, or simplify. Rewrite for a different tone, expand to add depth or examples, and simplify to make complex points more approachable. You can iterate as much as you like and